If you're experiencing issues with your 2013 Chevy Equinox infotainment system, you're not alone. These problems are increasingly common as these vehicles age. Let's diagnose the most frequent issues and their solutions. First, identify your specific symptoms. The most common issues include a completely black screen with no display output, no audio from any source, an unresponsive touchscreen, a system that keeps restarting in a boot loop, or Bluetooth connection problems. The root causes typically fall into three main categories: software corruption from outdated firmware or corrupted system files, hardware failure involving the display unit, amplifier, or control modules, and electrical issues like blown fuses or loose connections. Start with simple DIY fixes. The soft reset procedure involves turning off your vehicle completely, removing the key, and waiting 2 to 3 minutes, then restarting and testing the system. This works for about 30% of temporary freezing issues. For more persistent issues, try a hard reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait 15 to 20 minutes, then reconnect and test. This method is more effective for persistent software glitches. Finally, check the critical fuses. Inspect fuses number 23 for radio, number 42 for infotainment, and number 46 for audio amplifier. These are located in the instrument panel fuse box. Replace any blown fuses with the exact same amperage rating. These basic diagnostic steps and simple fixes resolve many common infotainment issues in the 2013 Equinox. If these solutions don't work, the problem likely requires professional diagnosis and repair. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced software solutions become necessary. The first step is visiting a GM dealer for the latest firmware updates. Another advanced software solution is performing a factory reset. This can resolve software corruption issues, but remember, it will erase all your saved data, including contacts and preferences. For hardware failures, replacement becomes necessary. A permanently black screen typically indicates display unit failure, requiring professional replacement costing between $800 and $1,500. Audio amplifier issues present differently. You'll have a working display but no sound output. The amplifier, located behind the glove compartment, costs $300 to $600 to replace. Given the age of your 2013 Equinox, aftermarket solutions often provide better value. Modern Android Auto and Apple CarPlay units offer enhanced functionality at a fraction of OEM replacement costs. Aftermarket units provide significant advantages, including modern smartphone integration, better reliability, enhanced features, and lower long-term costs compared to aging OEM systems. Prevention is key to avoiding future infotainment problems. Regular software updates, avoiding extreme temperatures, and periodic electrical system checks can significantly extend your system's lifespan.